Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I trade breakouts, trade double bottoms, double tops. That's about it. Consolidations within like continuation trend. So we can break out to the bottom or we can break out dips. That's what I'm looking at. Probably gonna take this short. If I don't take it on the breakout bar, I look for like a pullback. Bars like this tend to continue, but at the same time, it's like, do you want to take that bar? Because you could get stopped out. But yeah, this breakout right here is textbook, guys. I would rather get in around here. I'm finna prepare a trade. See how I hit my 50% retracement level, like right in through here. Got my finger on the sell button. Let's see if I can close this week out positive. I've never gotten 5 days. And my trading sessions are very short, guys, by the way. So this is what I'm looking like. Damn, let me this is what I'm looking like. Just a quick boom boom. I've never gotten 5 days. Let's see if I can get a 5 day win. See if I can get a 5 day, 5 wins. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking profits. When you start dipping around 400 again, I'm gonna start taking profits. It's a big bar though, big bullish bar. All right, I'm taking profits off the table. All right, I'm done, guys. That's it. Breakdown, retracement. Got in on the retracement, took profits. Anybody catch that? Anybody else trade that? So yeah, I just had a perfect week, guys. First perfect week in a long time too. Y'all just seen it live. And look, it's still running. All my trades, like they run crazy, man. How do you figure the 50%? So Fibonacci, so I'm gonna pull up my I'm gonna go ahead and pull up this chart right here. This is the 8 moving average, this is the 21 moving average. Okay, so you have this obvious breakout line right here, right? When I say double bottoms, double tops, it's not always just two tops or two highs or two lows. Sometimes you have a structure like this. You have a structure like that. This ended up breaking out right here. Just for reference, you could have traded that, which, like I said, I wouldn't trade that pre-market because of the news. Or you could have traded that right there. Could have traded any one of these, but anyway, what I was looking at was, okay, I seen the breakout, the breakdown, breakout, whatever you want to call it, broke down. I could have sold this candle in through here, right? But had I sold this break, I would have still been in the trade because I risked 25 points. But what I do is, I get the breakout bar, I apply the Fibonacci, boom, and I look for a pullback. I look for one at the 50%, which is the 0.5, and I look for one at the 0.68, which is basically 2/3 retracement. Or you can look for one at the breakout level. All it basically is a retest of the breakout, and it gets you in on a cheaper trade. That's all I'm doing. That's how I figured out the 50%. You don't even really need the Fibonacci. You can just look at the breakout bar and just look at the 50% half of the bar and aim for that. Fibonacci is just really just measuring moves. Boom. You can go back the previous day and do the same thing. Another breakout, another breakdown right here. Get your Fibonacci. Actually, let me go to the I think it was 3 minute. I think it was. Breakout bar, damn. Fibonacci breakout bar, boom, right there. 0.5, 0.6, cheap trade, boom. You would have risked, you would have been in what, 10 points drawdown? My stop is at 25 points, you know? And this trade went for 300 points, and I traded this live yesterday. You can go back and watch that. Yeah, man, well, you know, I'm not a professional. I don't sell courses, you know, at least not right now. You know, I'm just helping people out. I don't work, you know, so I talk about trading all day. I don't mind it. Yeah, man, all I do is trade breakouts, man. You could trade anything in the market. You trade support, resistance. It's so simple. I mean, look at this bounce. Look at this one bounce. You could have traded that. I got a support level right there. I mean, the only time I would trade a SR level is if there's exhaustion paired with it. So I like to see exhaustion paired with the support resistance level. So you can use like a RSI or a stochastic, just anything that could tell you, you know, there's exhaustion here. Yeah, I have 11 PAs. I'm a little anxious to get the withdrawals because, you know, I'm hearing all the stories, but I'm gonna just go ahead and hopefully, you know, everything works out. Hopefully it doesn't take a whole month to get my money, but I'll make a video about that, let you guys know. This is my first time using Apex. I was with skill funded traders at the beginning of the year. They went belly up, so I had to restart my whole process. I had to learn how to scalp. I had to adapt to a scalping strategy, and yeah, that was a whole ordeal right there. And here I am now. So hopefully Apex does right by me because I paid hard-earned money. Like I said, I don't even work, so like this is what I do right here. So I'm a little anxious about it, but you know, I'll let you guys know. How long did you take all 11 evals? I'm assuming you're asking me how long did it take me to get those accounts? Yeah, you can pass the evals in one day. So 50Ks, I was on the 150Ks, right? But it took way too long. So 50Ks, the 50Ks, you can just trade 8 contracts, get 20 points. That's 3K right there. That's what I do. Top Step, I just bought a Top Step account last night, just kind of diversify a little bit. Let me know how things go, man. Let me know, do you like them? See this double bottom right here, guys? It's not a clean double bottom, but if we break above this level and close, it's a good chance we get another 20 points. And if you look at the 5-minute chart, like I said, it's not the cleanest at all, but it's just, you know, overall concept of how I trade. Not the cleanest. This is way cleaner, way cleaner, way cleaner. There's a good chance we break, close, and head back up another 20 points. Not guaranteed though. To be honest, I wouldn't have taken this trade, but this is an easy 20. Like if I was trading eval, I would trade this. Yeah, I actually did have my own personal account at first. Then prop firms came along, and that's when I found out about prop firms, and I stuck with those ever since. I just rather trade prop money than my own money. Man, to be honest, my goal is like $1 million. Once I get like $1 million in personal funds, I'm leaving props, bro. That's the only reason I'm here is because it's gonna accelerate my gains. I mean, I had before I was in prop firms, I had like a 15K account. Like that 15K, I mean, it's cool and all, but it's not gonna get me where I need to be quicker than these prop firms at all. I mean, 50K accounts, you got fast track trading with their 20 accounts. You can't really beat it. I mean, I pay like $35 for an account, $100 activation fee a month. You can take that 14K that I just told you about, buy 1 million accounts with that. You know, and I had to work hard. I had to bust my ass for that 14K. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I'd rather kind of, you know, how much money can you really make on 14K, you know, versus 20 PA accounts. But the reason I only trade 1 hour out of the day is because that volatility and that volume is just great. It's unbeatable. The Nasdaq, when the volume is there, nothing can beat it, in my opinion. I look at oil, I look at gold, I look at the S&Ps. The S&Ps, man, they just don't look right. Just looking at the S&Ps, just something's not right, man. I don't know if it's the liquidity or it's the fact that it's 500 stocks in the S&P, but tech period is way better in my opinion. And with it being Friday, guys, shorts are going to start covering today, so don't get caught in the short squeeze going into the weekend. You know, don't get too excited to trade that downside. Buffer on my PAs. Well, I had stopped trading these for at the bottom. I can take out $2,000. I thought about continue to trade them. That way they can't say, well, you stopped trading your account, so we gotta deny you. I've heard that, you know, to be a thing. You know, when you stop trading your accounts, they say it's a red flag. Although I've been consistent for a whole month, you know, but I'm just gonna continue going. But I do want to create a nice little buffer though. But I would prefer to get my payouts. You know, I did the work. You know, I want the money. You know what I mean? Like I put the work in. I did what I had to do. Yeah, the market's definitely making some higher lows on the 4-hour chart. Pay attention to that. Wouldn't be surprised if we got a breakout to the upside by the end of the day. Just to squeeze the shorts out. Look at the lows. They're all higher. Cool, man. Cool. Appreciate everybody for joining in and tuning in. What, 33 minutes to the session? We're done, man. That's the whole goal, is to get paid. So hope everyone has a great day, and I'll holler at you guys later, man. Monday Trader, I'm out. Everyone have a good one.